Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2017 Jeep Grand Cherokee Limited. Comes equipped with a 3.6-liter V6 engine paired to an 8-speed automatic transmission. Other included such as premium leather heated seats, power sliding sunroof, heated rear seating, and so much more. Come check it out. Moving on to the interior, we're going to have this all-black interior, paneling cup holder storage on the bottom. You got the speakers right next to it with your seat memory as well, and the power windows and locks and mirrors with the wooden chrome accent. Once these seats are going to be power adjustable, heated leather seats, nice. On the left side, you're going to have your lighting controls. And the left side of the steering wheel will be your voice recognition and odometer cluster control, with the right side being your cruise and 2 paddle shifters right behind. And for the odometer, you can access all of your vehicle information, including your gauges and as well as your trip information, auto stop, and as well as your audio, messages, and screen setup there. It's going to be push to start and onto the infotainment. Pretty straightforward. You just got your radio as well as your Bluetooth and USB connection, as well as you can access climate through here. Again, just pretty straightforward. And you got your manual controls here with your sport and eco mode, as well as park assist and auto stop. Just below, you're going to have a USB port with a 12 volt and an SD card reader. As well as here the shifter, you got your drive mode selector, as well as your 4-wheel drive and hill descent control. Got the center console, lots of extra storage. Passenger side, same finish, power adjustable, wooden chrome all the way across with the speakers at the top, as well as your fence. And then here you can access your reading lamps, your powered liftgate, and as well as your power sliding sunroof. So you have these 18-inch wheels on Nokia Rotiva all-terrain tires. You're going to have the chrome mirror caps and keyless entry door handles. Luggage side rail with deep tint rear glass in the back. Got the exhaust at the bottom. Into the back here, you got extra hooks and storage on the side, as well as 12 volts. Lots of extra storage down below. It's a pretty spacious room. To the rear interior, again, more cup holder storage next to the speaker, power window, the wooden chrome accent again. Back, pretty decent legroom, storage behind, passenger and driver side with the mesh, rear ventilation, USB ports, rear heated seating, and an AC well port right there. Cup holder and armrest. You got the lamps up top, with the handles on the side. Well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet as we checked out this 2017 Jeep Grand Cherokee Limited, equipped with a 3.6-liter V6 engine, as well as a power sliding sunroof, heated rear seating, as well as heated steering wheel, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe, and we hope to see you at Chevy Farm very soon.